1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Hi my lovers, welcome back to my channel. A week or so ago I did a collaboration with Katie and it was to do with us having a pamper session with products that we had bought from Poundland. I'm going to have my pamper tonight, so I've come upstairs and I'll turn the camera around to show you what I'm using for my pamper. I will link the video as well, and yeah, I'll start my pamper, but first of all I'll show you what I'm using. So here I've got, this is the bath crystals that I'm going to be obviously putting in the bath. I'm going to be putting on a face mask. I've got a hair mask here. I've got a new mug and some coffee. I've got a sponge to use in the bath as like an exfoliant, and I've got some body lotion, and I've got a foot mask, like the foot pack booty things. I did have a bar of chocolate, but I've already eaten it. I've already eaten it. Temptation was just too good. Right, so I'm going to start with just taking the makeup off now, just scrape the hair back a bit, and I'm taking it off with this Garnier Micellar Water. This is the one that's infused with oil. So I'm just going to quickly put some of that on a cotton pad and take, I've just got foundation on, a bit of lip gloss, so shouldn't take long to take this off. Right, so that's all done, and I'm going to go in now with the face mask, get that on and working. And this is the coconut one. Obviously it's all from Poundland. Okay, I've used this before and I absolutely love it. These face masks I can probably get maybe sort of 3 or 4 applications out of. Oh, it smells beautiful. If you like coconut, if you like the smell of, it reminds me of like a coconut cake, something like that. Beautiful it is. Right, just going to move my mirror here so that I can see myself as well. That'll do. There we go. So I've just got a little brush. You can put it on with your fingers, it doesn't really make any difference. And do you know, it's really weird because you don't have to put this in the fridge for it to keep or anything, which I just think is really good. But when you put it on, I mean, I know it's hot out here in the UK at the moment, it's really hot. It's too hot, don't like it, you know, we're not geared up for it. We don't have air conditioning in our homes and stuff like that. Generally anyway. But when you apply it to your skin, it's just so cold. It's lovely, really cooling. So there's no sort of right or wrong way of putting this on at all. Just put it on. A bit like painting a wall, or filling in the cracks in my case. So I'm just going to leave this now until it starts to go, sort of it dries and it firms up. See what I mean? Look, I've hardly touched it, have I? There's loads left in there. So what I'm going to do now this is on, I'm going to go downstairs, make my coffee, bring it back up, enjoy my coffee while this is on my face. I'm going to apply my hair mask, take my nail polish off of my toenails, ready to apply my new polish, this beautiful little pink one. But before I do that, I'm going to spritz my room so that when I come back into it, it smells of this. And this is the the papaya paradise. It's called Papaya Paradise. Oh gosh, I mean, it's just amazing. I just love all these smells. So I'm going to be like coconutty, tropical, the whole tropical island smells. So this is going to be sprayed, going to go down, wash my cup out, bring up my coffee. See you in a jiff. It smells wonderful. As soon as you walk back in the room, it hits you. And got my coffee. Look there. I can hear Oscar barking. He came up with me, but I don't know if he wants to stay up here now. Right, so I'm just going to take my hair out. It's all sort of hot and sweaty and stuck to my head. So hot today. Right, take my earrings out. Necklace off. It's so warm. Okay, just give my hair a little bit of a comb through. Okay. Ooh. Right, so this is the argan oil. This was, of course, £1 in Poundland. Typical argan oil smell to it. It's very, very nice. So, fingers are going to go in to scrape some of this out. So I've got loads in my hand here because I want to get it more than anywhere else. I want it on the ends of my hair. I should put a little bit on the top, but mostly on the ends because that's where most of the damage is. I've got a flannel here just to wipe my hands with. So that I can do the next step, which is, I'm just going to pop this little shower cap on. It's, gosh, I've had this years, of course it's got dogs on it. 101 Dalmatians. So this, I'm just going to pop on. I mean, you can put a towel on your head as well if you want to, and I do, a lot of the time I do, but I just thought this might help the mask a little bit more with the heat in there. Right, so that I'm now just going to leave on. I'm going to just sit back, enjoy my coffee, watch a little bit of YouTube probably whilst I'm having my coffee. Then I'm going to go in and run my bath, and I'll take you with me. Not in the bath, but when I run it, okay? I cannot tell you how beautiful these smell. I mean, I hadn't smelt them before because obviously I had the cork in and it was all sealed, but they smell, oh my goodness, just, it's like roses in a jar, literally. So, just gonna, I've got like a shower hose bit in there so I can rinse my hair off. And the sponge. There we go. So that's all the rose petals and the bath salts in the bath. You can see roughly that, you can see how much I've used. Beautiful, can't wait to get in this bath now. It is so hot, honestly. You just can't breathe, there's no air or anything. You get out of the bath, you get out of the shower, you start sweating. It's like you haven't had one. I need to stick a little bit of body lotion on there, but I'm only going to do my legs because I've shaved my legs. I will put some body lotion on my legs, so I'll do that now. So this is the Dove here that I've got. Guys, I'm going to put my foot pack on now. So I just come into the bedroom. You can hear a noise. I've got the fan on because it's just so hot. This is the first one. So you've got like the plastic bit, and then you've got like a lining that's got all the product in. Stick my foot in. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's lovely and cool. It's so freaking hot. And then you've got like this. No, you can't lick it now, see. Take this bit off. I'll see you in 20 minutes. Then it's got quite a lot of product still on there. So I'm literally going to rub that into my feet and then sort of sit my feet out so that they sort of dry off like this. They feel very soft. Thank you for watching.